If you want to fly with eagles, don't swim with the ducks. When the character of a man is not clear to you, look at his friends. Change is good, but it is never easy. When you sparkle, you inspire everyone around you. Judge a man by his questions rather than by his answers. Hard times will always reveal true friends. You should never forget a person who came to you with a torch in the dark. Speak well of others, not of their faults. Winning without problem is just victory, but winning with lots of trouble creates history. You will always have problems in life. Learn to enjoy life while solving them. Train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even give you honesty. Life is peaceful when you rest on the promises of God's Word. Every positive thought is a silent prayer that will change your life. The price of inaction is far greater than the cost of making a mistake. A tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to break a heart, so be careful with your words. There are 4 very important words in life: love, honesty, truth, respect. Without these in your life, you have nothing. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. Learn to love without condition, talk without bad intention, give without any reason, and most of all, care for people without any expectation. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. A mature mind learns to ignore because it knows it is not always worth to argue. There are 3 ways to ultimate success. The first way is to be kind. The second way is to be kind. The third way is to be kind. Be careful what you tell people. A friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Definition of stupid: knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. Sometimes being patient is not always a solution. Just change your direction. If you want to be powerful, educate yourself. Your self-respect has to be stronger than your feelings. The happiest people in life are the givers, not the getters. Sometimes you have to do what's best for you, not what's best for everyone else. Don't tell people everything about yourself. You may be educating an enemy. Observe the thing that hurt you most. Teach you the greatest lesson in life. There is no greater blessing in life than watching your children grow. Everyone has 2 eyes, but no one has the same view. In life, the difference between a stumbling block and a stepping stone is how you decide to use it. Smell the rain and dance in the joy of its earthy scent. Trust your hard work. It's unlocking doors you can't see yet. Always use branded items in life: for lips truth, for voice prayer, for eyes sympathy, for hand charity, for heart love, and for face smile. Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life bright. If you have much, give of your wealth. If you have little, give of your heart. If you want a long-term relationship, follow one simple rule: never lie. If an egg is broken by an outside force, Life ends if broken by an inside force. Life begins. Great things always begin from inside. Even a fish can avoid problems if it keeps its mouth shut. Never be in a hurry. Do everything quietly and in a calm spirit. Do not lose your inner peace for anything whatsoever, even if your whole world seems upset. Time spent with family is worth every second. Richest wealth is wisdom. Strongest weapon is patience. Best security is faith. Most effective tonic is laughter, and surprisingly, all are free. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment of your life. 6 ethics of life. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. Before you die, live. There will be always a reason why we meet people. Either you need them to change your life, or you are the one that will change theirs. The first 50 years of childhood are always the hardest. If you focus on problems, you will have more problems. If you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday, and the other is called tomorrow. So today is the right day to love, believe, do, and mostly live. The most beautiful people are those who bring out the beauty in others. Luck and decision. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hands. Your decision can make luck, but luck can never make your decision, so always trust yourself. Happiness is the new rich, inner peace is the new success. Health is the new wealth, kindness is the new cool. You are not required to set yourself on fire to keep other people warm. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. If you are constantly in a storm, don't check the weather, check your decisions. If your path is difficult, it is because your purpose is bigger than you thought. Tell people about your religion without the use of your tongue. The worst of our faults is our interest in other people's faults. Nobody was born ugly. The problem is we live in a judgmental society. If you don't do stupid things while you're young, you'll have nothing to laugh about when you're old. I don't regret things I did wrong. I regret the good things I did for the wrong people. Do not educate your child to be rich. Educate them to be happy. So when they grow up, they'll know the value of things, not the price.